Welcome back to GitHub Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to know Wi-Fi version in Windows 11. For this, click on this one start button, then type here CMD, then click on this one command prompt entry. This will open command prompt on your Windows 11 PC. Then you need to copy and paste this one command, that is netsh wlan show drivers. After copying and pasting or typing, press enter on the keyboard. This will display radio type supported. You need to note down this one details, and last one details is required to check the latest Wi-Fi. Whatever you are using, just note down the latest one. Most of the Wi-Fi adapter are backward compatible to the old one, so just you will find old one in the beginning and the latest one at the end. Just note down this one number and you will find in the video description something like this. You need to match this one details. In suppose in my PC it is 802.11ax. Just match it with your PC. uh, just note down and match it. In my PC it is 802.11ax. That means my PC is using Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.